Goni! What the hell's going on?
PJ!
In here!
Shit.
No need for guns, boys. We're all friends now.
They made me call you.
Yes, we did. We also took pictures of all these vehicles, just in case we need to return them to their rightful owners.
Did you know that these are the bikes that you said were stolen and we found them all here? I mean, how crazy is that?
What do you want?
First of all, leaving all this shit here, that's just stupid and lazy.
Yeah, if you're gonna go outlaw, boys, use half a brain. I mean, you're making us all look bad.
Which one do you want, Juicy?
This one is good.
He's gonna take Liberace's bike. Don't worry, we'll change the numbers ourselves. What I need you to do is make sure that none of the shit that happened today comes back to bite us in the ass. Or all of this goes very public.
Okay, yeah.
And I need you both to apologize to all my guys for your behavior today.
You gotta be kidding me.
Do you think I'm kidding?
Sorry for my behavior today.
Sorry for my behavior today. Sorry for my behavior today.
It is good to be back.
Sorry for my behavior today.
Sorry for my behavior today.
Sorry for my behavior today.
Sorry for my behavior.
Get home safe.